How to fix missing chat history since now on your Messenger application. For this, I will show you some of the genuine steps by which you can do this thing, and in this video you will see the whole process that how you can do it. If you are experiencing missing chat history since on Messenger, there are three steps you can try to resolve it. Start your device and your Messenger application. Sometimes a simple restart can help. Update the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of Messenger. If not updated, please update it from your App Store. Clear cache data. Go to the setting, then app, then select Messenger and then click on the storage to clear the cache. Now, the fourth and the last step is restore chat history from secure storage. If you're using end-to-end encryption, your chat history might not automatically appear on a new device. Restore your chat history from secure login storage using the method you selected during setup or from the new device where you previously set up your PIN. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe our channel for watching more videos like this.